Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. The business of today is that I'm going to show you how you can create your own hardcover for your Amazon ebook. You will have a good design for your Amazon ebook. A good back cover attracts customers to your book. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time, without much talking. Let's get to work. So we search for Amazon KDP. Search for Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP. So search for it. This is my book that I just published on the 14th of this month, and it's already live on Amazon. This is it. So now I'm going to show you how you are going to create your own cover. As you can see, this cover, you can see that it's very perfect and it's very neat. So that's it. So I'm going to show how you can do yours as well. Come here to help. Click on this help button. So just click on the help, and you want to come over to this place where it says format your own hardcover. Look at it, format your hardcover. Just click on it. You scroll down, come to where it says download a cover template. Just click on this custom cover template. Click on it. It's loading. Still loading, guys. Okay, now you select your binding type. We are doing is paperback, so the interior is standard color. The paper type is black and white. The writing, when you are writing, is from your right to left and not from left to right. So here, click on right, left to right. The measurement unit, you put it in inches, and here we're going to do a bigger size. Let's choose okay, that's 8.5 by 11. So it depends on your preference, what you want your book, how you want it to be. So now let's say, okay, like just getting started. It's your first time on Amazon, you don't have a lot of content for your ebook. You have just let's say 32 pages. You now have to click on this calculate dimension. Click on calculate dimension. Okay, this is it. You can see this is the dimension of what we want to do. So full cover, this whole cover is the width is 17.322, and the height is 11.25. So the front cover, the front cover, which is this white area, is 8.5, and the height is 11. So the bleed, when they talk about bleed, the bleed is when you have your design and your design is flooded all over to the final edge of the cover. It's called bleed. So now the margin between the final edge of the book and where your writing starts from. So without wasting the time, let's just go to where you get the design done. But first of all, we download this one. You download it. You're going to download template. Go to download template. Once you have it downloaded to your computer, let's download it. You can see there's it. Download in progress. So what you want to do is you come to Amazon. You come to Canva. This is my Canva account, and this is a Canva Pro team. Canva Pro team. If you haven't watched my video about Canva Pro team, please do it and watch it so that you'll be able to make your own preferable design on Canva. So let's click on create design. When you click on create design, what you want to do is, you're not doing book cover. What you are doing, when we have a specific size for our book cover. So what you want to do now is that you delete all this, delete. So here, what you do is you go back to our calculator. KDP calculator. You want to copy the width. Copy the width. Here's the width. You paste it. You come again and copy the height. So copy the height and paste it. Just paste it here. Since it's already here, this is inches. So create new design. Create this new design. So it's going to show us what we are going to do. Let's check our Amazon paper. Okay, download. Let's see. Okay, this is it. So you open it somewhere so we can unzip it, because this is a zip file. We first of all unzip it. You open it in the way right to unzip it. Let's go to this is it. This is the size. So let's unzip our file first of all. Let's unzip it. Let's unzip it first. This is this is I think it's already okay. This is already in PNG. So okay, let's see if we can save it fully on the system. Okay, let's come back here. Okay, yeah. These are window. Okay, let's see here. Let's paste it somewhere around here. Let's go to images. Let's post it. Okay, this is it already. So what we are going to do is that we go back to here, come to upload. So we want to upload the file. Upload files. Click on upload files. Okay, it's already in okay, images. And let's scroll down. Yeah, you. Okay, just click there. I think it's uploading. Okay, it's uploading now. Okay, this is it. So all you want to do is you want to bring it inside this template, and then you drag it to the edge. Drag it to the edge. Drag it to the edge. Don't drag it beyond the size, the template size. Okay, there it is. Final. What we are going to do is to bring in our design, and I have it uploaded here already. I don't want to waste our time. You can design yours from scratch, but here what I want to do is I already have it here. I just have to bring it inside this one and drag it to the edge. Drag it to the edge to fit the screen. Yes. Let's take the other one, which will be the back. Let's drag it inside here and drag it to the edge too. Just watch out. Let's watch out so it's not going to go beyond the guideline. And the guidelines, we're still going to remove it. Let's just bring it. Let's delete it. Let's bring it. Let's delete it. Yes. So now we drag this. And so this is the cover. We don't want to leave it like this. What I want to do is just to bring some of these right ups here, so that we can just write this hide and seek. So let's take this. Hide and seek. So let's change the font. Let's change it to something else. Let's come to let's see if we get this Times New Roman. Okay, it's not here. Let's see Georgia. Let's find this. Okay, open sans. Let's change it to open sans. we're going to change the font size as well. It's too big. Let's reduce the font size. I want it a bit smaller. So now we're going to write the name of the author. We're going to write it here. So let's do that now. By Olivia. By Olivia Wilson. Olivia Wilson. Okay. This one is going to be very tiny. Okay. Since this one is in black, let's make this white. Let's make it white. Okay, I think it's lovely this way too. Let's make this one too white color. It's perfect. Okay, yeah, wonderful. So what we're going to do is, now that you know that we've designed it, this is how it's going to look like. We're going to download it. Now that we are through design, we're going to download it. So let's download the PNG format. The PNG format. Let's download it. So after that, after the download, you'll be able to upload the back cover on your book for your Amazon PNG. This is how you go about the design. You can see it is very short and very quick, and it is lovely. This is a perfect design for your Amazon KDP. So thank you guys for watching the video. I appreciate you. Thank you. If you find this very helpful, please do well to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more educative content like this. Thank you. God bless. Bye.